Presenting you to the virtual FPGA lab for SIGDA University demonstration at Design Automation Conference 2021. The team: Bala Dinesh, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras; Steve Hoover, founder of Redwood EDA; Akos Harnagi, and Mayan Kabra. So, due to the ongoing pandemic situation, students don't have an access to physical FPGAs for their prototyping, and since FPGA boards are costly, universities cannot offer to the students at their homes. So, for beginners to get started into FPGA programming, we have made this virtual FPGA lab, which aims to mimic the same FPGA lab experience in a web browser using MakerChip features. MakerChip is a free web-based IDE to code, compile, simulate, and debug Verilog, system Verilog, and transaction level Verilog designs. Transaction level Verilog, which is the emerging standard and adds powerful constructs for pipelines and transaction, and eliminates the need for the legacy language features by introducing simple syntax. MakerChip IDE shown in this image has an editor, waveform viewer, visual debug, where we will be seeing the visualization of FPGA outputs and diagram flow. We will be primarily using this unique feature of visual debug to visualize our designs. This is the simple example demonstrating digital logic gates. Code is written in transaction level Verilog in the editor view on the left, and the corresponding visualization is seen on the right. Visual debug is a JavaScript canvas element where we can use interactive object models like text and images, etc., and react according to signal inputs. Here, the inputs of all the gates are set to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and the corresponding outputs is seen. The code which is written in transaction level Verilog here can also be written in Verilog and system Verilog. This feature of visual debug will be used for designing the virtual FPGA lab. Let us see some of the example visualizations on the MakerChip IDE. This is the example of simple binary counter. The waveform is shown on the right, and once open the BIS tab and you increment the cycle to see the LEDs getting incremented. So as I cycle over it, you can see the LEDs are getting incremented based on the logic that we provided in the editor tab. So the code for enabling this visualization is seen in lines 20 and 21, where line 20 basically adds this FPGA image onto this BIS canvas, and this FPGA underscore LED is basically it's the interfacing of LED logic function behind it. This is the same example of binary counter. Here we have written this in Verilog instead of transaction level Verilog. So same output will be seen in the BIS part. Let us see the interfacing of 7-segment display. This example is a hexadecimal counter. So as I increment the cycle, you can see its visualization. So cycle 0, it is initially all the 7-segment displays are set to 0. And as I cycle over it, 1, 2, 3, 4, till it will reach up to F is about LCD interfacing. The code is written on the editor such that the text FPGAs are fun is displayed. Visualization for LCD code is seen on the right. So in the LCD display on the bottom, you can see FPGAs are fun is displayed. This example is about BGA monitor. The code is written in such a way that the color orange is displayed on the first half of the monitor and blue on the second half. The cursor on the VGA monitor shows which position the pixel updates currently, running in an actual FPGA. We can use the automated scripts that was provided in the GitHub link to directly run the program in an actual FPGA. The image shown in the left is the output from the virtual FPGA, and the right is the output from the actual FPGA. Our future plans are to support more number of boards and peripheral interfacing. Currently, we support 5 different kinds of boards: Z-board, RTX 7, Basis 3, Icebreaker, and Nexus. The next is to automate scripts to cover wide range of boards using open source technologies. Currently, the automation script is supported only for Xilinx based boards. And finally, we plan to automate the virtual FPGA lab to connect to cloud or remote FPGAs by automating it for a seamless experience. Thanks for watching this video. and hope you liked it.